Now you have your basic MTPredictor templates loaded into the Market Analyzer. You may wish to add some different columns in or change the values of the existing columns. So to do this is very easy. When you're hovering over a Market Analyzer, right mouse click and then come down to Columns. And in here, if you want to just change the value of an existing column, you just highlight it, and then you can come down and you can change either the value, i.e. the time frame, or if you want to change the label, you can change that as well. So you can change the existing ones there, but let's try and add a new one. So again, come down to Columns. In this case, we'll choose underneath the available columns, we'll come down to our MTP ones. The one I'm going to now add is, well, if you wanted to add a new MTP analysis, then you can do that by just doing add and then filling in the values you wish to, in particular the time frame. Saying we wanted to do a 30-minute one. Change the label, then do OK. You can see it adds in a new MTP analysis for 30-minute there as well. But let's now add in some Elliott waves. So I'll just do again columns, do exactly the same procedure, come down underneath available. Let's do our MTP Elliott waves. So you select it, you then come down to do add. We then basically put in the values we wish. So we scroll down. Let's say we want to have it on a 3-minute, and let's just say we want to change the title there. I'm just going to make that a bit smaller so it can fit on. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm basically doing the value, then the label, and if I do OK, you can see it adds in a column there for the Elliott waves for 3-minute. You can grab that and you can drag it around where you wish. So perhaps if I put it there, it's next to the 3-minute column. If I want to add another one in, let's do again columns. Let's come down and do MTP Elliott waves. This time I'll just double click on it. It's the same as doing add. Exactly the same procedure as before. We then scroll down. We then select the time frame we wish to do it on, and come down and change the label so it fits on, and then do OK, and there you can see it's coming on the end. Let's just drag it across so it's in the right position, and there you have the Elliott waves for 5-minute, the Elliott waves for 3-minute there as well. So in that way you can build basically your market analyzer as you wish, having the columns you wish, the time frames you wish for your main MTPredictor analysis. You can also add in additional columns for our Elliott waves as well on whatever time frames you wish. And obviously if you want to change or amend any of the columns, right mouse click columns, then select the ones you've got already loaded, and you can change the values you wish there as well. So in this way it's really easy to basically build up a market analyzer following the MTP analysis or the MTP Elliott wave patterns that you wish on the markets that you want.